My name is Haqimi and I will present about the introduction of our chosen type of investment. The first one is ASB. ASB is a Malaysian initiative trust fund which aims to enhance the financial independence and also improve the economic control among the local Muslim in Malaysia. This type of scheme is considered as an alternative saving investment opportunity that provides a consistent and competitive return. Although ASB is considered as a successful investment with its outstanding achievement, there is a continuous quest, particularly among the local Malaysians, on the extent of Sharia compliance of the investment channel of the ASB Trust Fund. The next type of investment that we choose is share-based. Share-based is referred to shares that give preference or privilege to their holders over the common shareholders. The priority given is based on the perspective of acquisition of a company, in which the preferred shareholders will get their dividend in advance with a fixed rate at the time of issuance, regardless of the profit or loss of the company. This type of scheme gives its investors the advantage of seeking maximum return with lower risk than the common share. So it is very suitable for Mr. Haikal company to invest in. The third type of investment scheme that's suitable for Mr. Haikal company is gold trading. Gold trading is referred to any form of investment which involves gold as its main commodity in the investment operation. This type of investment occurs during the buying transaction of the gold physically or enroll with any financial gold-based product for the purpose to gain profit. In Islam perspective, gold is considered as a very valuable item. This is because in Al-Quran there is a verse that states that where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala highlighted the gold in human life and also the other things that related to gold and its functions in human life. This type of scheme is based on the concept of Qard Hasan, which is the bank will keep the gold on behalf of the customer as the good debt. And last but not least, by that, this will benefit customer where they did not have to bother and risk themselves to save their gold on their own. I will present about the introduction of our chosen institution. The first one is Maybank Investment Bank by Maybank Berhad. It is a subsidiary company that provides a wide range of investment banking and also stockbroking products and services to clients. For example, corporate finance advice, strategy advisory, equity market and also stockbroking related services. The company has operated in Asia for almost 40 years and it is a 10 market Asian leader with office in Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam and also in Philippines. In addition, the company have merged with Kim Eng Holding Limited, which is Singapore's first publicly traded broker to broaden its product and services offering throughout the Asian region on July 2011. Maybank Investment Bank provides Islamic broking, which is an alternative share financing package based on the community Murabaha basis. And last but not least, in terms of asset, Maybank Islamic has Islamic Banking Unit, which is the largest Islamic bank in Asia and Malaysia. The next institution is ASNB. It is founded in 1979 and owned by Permodalan Nasional Berhad, which stands for PNB. The company provides a variety unit trust fund, including Amanah Saham Bumi Putra, which stands for ASIB Fund, which is an fixed price equity income fund that offers for Malaysia Bumi Putra only. The company has decades of experience in managing money and has instilled in Malaysians the habit of persistent investing. The company also allows its new customer to register an ASNB account via online. So, it has made it easier for Malaysians to invest in and increase their wealth.
Now I'm going to explain about every investment scheme that we already choose, which is we have three. Number one, we have gold trading, we have Nestle share, and also we have ASB. And then I'm going to continue to the risk of return for three investment. Just now I say, which is for number one, gold trading. Risk of return, I can say it is lower. For unit trust, it is higher, and for ASB, it also lower. And then for expect buy and sell, gold trading, yes, we can buy and also we can sell. For unit trust, we cannot buy and we cannot sell. And for ASB, we cannot buy and we cannot sell also. For management type, gold trading are not managed by professional team. It can be self-managed, which make all trading decisions independently. For unit trusts have an active management that involve a team of professional fund managers and analysts actively making investment decision. And then for ASB are managed by Permodalan Nasional Berhad, which stand for PNB, which is one of the Malaysian largest and most prominent unit trust management companies. I'm going to continue for the diversification. As we can see, gold trading, Nestle share and ASB, all of it is a diversification. And then we go to the method of investment. In gold trading, there is only one method in gold trading, which is physical gold. We can buy physical gold in the form of coins, bars and jewelry from reputable dealers or bank. We will own the physical gold, which we can store securely or keep in our possession. For Nestle share, there is only two method, which is number one is choose a fund. We must select fund that align with our investment objective and risk tolerance. Fund come in various types. For example, we have equity, we have bond, and we have mixed asset. And then for method number two, we need to monitor and manage. We need to keep track our unit trust investment performance through our investment platform. We can also make additional investment or redeem units as needed. And then for the ASB, there is a three method, which is method number one is eligibility. We must ensure that we met the eligibility criteria set by Permodalan Nasional Berhad, which is PNB. For ASB investment, as it primarily designed for Bumi Putra investor in Malaysia. For method number two, we have dividends. ASB typically pays annual dividends, which are tax exempt in Malaysia. And then for method number three is fund purchase. We need to purchase ASB units by depositing our investment amount into ASB account. Units are allocated based on the fund and AV. And then for the last criteria or the last aspect we look, which is the minimum investment amount. The minimum investment amount for gold trading, I would say the minimum amount is low, which is it is start from RM10 ringgit. And then for the Nestle share, the price of the minimum investment amount it is high, which is it is start from 105.42. And then for the ASB, I would say the minimum amount is low because it is start from RM10 ringgit only.
The process to invest in ASB are eligibility, so you need to be a Bumi Putra Malaysian citizen. Next, visit an ASB branch or appointed agent and fill out an application form, which includes providing your personal details and the amounts you wish to invest. ASB has a minimum investment amount, which can vary from time to time. Make sure you meet this requirement. You need to make an initial investment when opening your ASB account. This amount may also vary and is subject to the current policies of ASB. Make your payments either in cash or through a bank draft payable to Amanah Saham Nasional Berhad. If you use cash, you should visit an ASB branch to make the payment. Once your payment is processed, ASB will allocate units to your account based on your prevailing net asset value. The fund on that day, you will receive a statement of account either by mail or electronically confirming your investment and the number of units you hold. ASB distributes dividends annually, usually in the form of additional units. These dividends are based on the fund's performance and are subject to the discretion of the ASB management. If you wish to redeem your investment, you can do so at any ASB branch or appointment agent. The redemption amounts will depend on the prevailing NAV at the time of redemption. You can make additional investment in ASB at any time. Simply visit an ASB branch or agent and follow the same process as your initial investment. Keep an eye on your ASB account by regularly checking your statement and tracking the performance of the fund. The process to invest in nested share are educate yourself. You should learn about stock valuation, market trends, and how to analyze companies' financial performance. Next, to buy nested shares, you need to open a brokerage account with a reputable stockbroker. You can do this online or by visiting a physical branch, depending on the broker's options. Once your brokerage account is set up, you need to deposit funds into it. The amounts you deposit will determine how many nested shares you can buy. Before investing, research nested's financial performance, its product, market presence, and recent news or development that may impact its stock price. You can find this information on financial news websites, the company's official websites, and in financial reports. Log into your brokerage accounts and place an order to buy nested shares. You can choose from different types of orders such as market orders or limit orders after purchasing nested shares. Monitor your investment regularly. Track the company's performance, quarterly reports, and any news that might affect its stock price. Nestle typically pays dividends to its shareholder. If you own Nestle shares, you receive dividend payment periodically. This payment can be reinvested to buy more shares or withdrawn as income. Many investors choose to hold shares in Nestle for the long term, benefiting from both potential shares price appreciation and dividend income. If you decide to sell your nested shares, you can place a sale order through your brokerage accounts. The proceeds from the sale will be deposited into your brokerage accounts. The process to invest in gold trading starts by opening an account with Maybank Islami. You can visit a Maybank branch or apply online depending on their available service. Maybank Islami offers Sharia-compliant gold trading accounts. Ensure that your account adheres to Islamic principles if this is a requirement for you. After opening your account, you need to deposit funds into it. The amounts you deposit will determine how much gold you can purchase. Once your account is funded, you can place an order to purchase gold. Maybank Islamic typically offers various gold investment options, including physical gold or gold saving accounts. You can buy physical gold in the form of gold bars or gold coins. Maybank Islami may have specific gold products available for purchase. Some banks offer gold saving accounts where your investment is represented as a balance of gold in grams. You can buy or sell gold in these accounts without physically handling the metal. If you purchase physical gold, you need to decide whether you want to store it in a secure facility provided by Maybank or have it delivered to your address. Storing it in a bank secure facility is a safer option. Keep an eye on the performance of your gold investment. The value of your gold holdings will fluctuate with change in the price of gold in the market. When you decide to sell your gold holdings, you can place an order with Maybank Islamic. They will purchase the gold back at the current market price. The profit or loss on your gold investment is determined by the difference between the purchase price and the sale price, as well as any transaction fees or spreads. Maybank Islamic will provide you with regular account statement that detail your gold holding and transaction. If you decide to liquidate your gold investment, you can request a withdrawal of funds which will be deposited into your Maybank Islamic account.
There are a few products that we might offer to Mr. Haikal from our perspective of view. We do believe by investing in share, gold and unit trust will be the best decision for Mr. Haikal to expand his company's wealth. Without further ado, let me explain why we choose these products for Mr. Haikal. First of all, we believe Amanah Sarham Berhad is one of the most stable investment scheme that Mr. Haikal can do. With the minimum of capital with 200,000, he already can make profit with the profit rate of 6%. ASB is not only give minimal risk but also give a constant profit, which every investor is looking for. Secondly, we would also advise Mr. Haikal on aiding his focus in doing gold and share investment through Maybank Islamic Berhad. Why we say so? This is because Maybank Islamic has professional investment banker where they will support institutional clients in activities like capital raising and mergers and also in acquisitions. In Maybank, Mr. Haikal can do investment in Nestle share because one slot of this share only costs 105 ringgit 94 cents is quite affordable and he can buy as many as he can. The more slot he buys, the more profit he will gain. Lastly is Mr. Haikal also can do gold investment with Maybank Islamic. He can register under Maybank Islamic Gold Account I, MIGAI. Gold had been a source of wealth and a safe haven asset that is highly sought after 4 centuries. Gold investment can be used to hedge against inflation and act as an investment diversifier for Mr. Haikal. In fact, Mr. Haikal may convert the gold balance in MIGA to get the physical gold bar from 1 gram to 1000 grams if his company requires to do that. Mr. Haikal should do investing in these 3 investment schemes, which are in his ASB, in Nestle share and gold investment. Why we say so? This is because Glowtrax Berhad should grow its wealth more for a better future. Mr. Haikal should think wisely about choosing the right platform since he plays an important role in this company. By doing investment portfolio, his company can gain more profit, but on the same time, they will also face losses. But with investing in investment portfolio, it can cover losses for any investment schemes that losses takes place. Hence, Mr. Haikal will always has backup in order to achieve his company's target in yearly.